Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to discuss about a MidJourney V8 model. This is going to be very crisp and short video. Nothing much to deep dive into technical parts. It's more of usage and experience, how to use it. There are a lot of hidden things I'm going to show you. And let's see the final review, how this model is performing. Yeah, let's come back to the first page, update page, where you can see they are still working on, which is a V8 model, and they might be even called like a V8.1 if in the future, newer version. Currently, they released as a V8 alpha, as you can see here. They're going to take another 1 to 3 weeks and they're going to release a final version. What does this mean? They were planning to do something very big. That's what the team is claiming. Let's see now what is the new feature they release. So since I think I got around 1.5 month, 2 months back, since I'm early user, I got early access where I can train myself the model and use it. So training is something different here. If you are using somewhere in Comfy or Stable Diffusion, other places, is more on the choosing how to train it. For example, you come here, the personalization. This is again repetitive. I'm keeping a very crisp and short. Let's come back. If you turn on, okay, once you come back personalization, you can see the profiles. This is what so far I have trained. It can show you V7 and V8 profiles. Now, if I select this or if in copy, basically you will get an a tag or number or code. You can use it in your prompt structure. For example, I'm selecting this. The moment if I selected, you can see here, this is my structure. Let's go back, and I'm using a huge waterfall with the wooden bridge. That's it. You don't need to write so much bigger. And here you can go and check the what kind of aspect ratio, etc. you want and hit. Then you can see quick things. This is what the profile. Now here is the question. Why I'm getting this art style? I'm not giving any input images, nothing. As you can see, this is like a very artistic brush strokes, something rough, right? That impact based on what kind of profiles I have been selected while during the training. Okay, I am calling as a training. You can call something more of a personalization. Okay, let's say you might not like this. If you want to do it by your own, go here. For example, this is the new one. You can come. Let me close this. You can take new profile, hit a new profile. You will be getting new profile here. Okay, then rename it. I'm putting test. Sorry. Okay. So once you put in, you need to start giving a ranking. So now let's say this is the one. I like this. I like this. This. Make sure be precise. What kind of art style you use. So if you, as you mix so many things, the result, I mean, model will misunderstand. That's what it is. For example, if you like very, very toony artistic style, pick only those kind of things. As you scroll down, you can see the varieties. For example, this I like, this I like, this I like. So once you chosen in the backend server, it will go behind and it will understand, hey, this is what users want. Okay, that's it. I'm choosing this. I think let me put more on this. Okay, we have a 242 points. Correct. Now I am using this images. Now let's create. Come back. Let me turn on personalization. I am choosing this. Okay, by the way, if you want to choose, you need to finish all these points. Let me quickly finish. I want to show you very live, genuine way, fully, not to leave off of the things. That's why I'm doing this. So, I mean, bear with me. Right now, I'm doing very random. But when you are doing, you could do very. So, yes, you can see now profile unlocked. That means now, whatever as per their code, their as per their algorithm, now model can able to understand what exactly you're looking. And this demo, I have selected very randomly. Result might be varied. Now try it. So that means test Suri. You can see here, this is selected. Now you can come back and use it same thing, prompt, and you hit it. The result will be completely different. Now, if you look at result is a bit more realistic, more what I would say 3D render or CG generator, whatever it is. So this is how you can store it, what kind of sets you want, what kind of styles you want. That's more on the personalization front. And you can go previously, this one they're using as a mood board, etc., etc. They're calling. In V8, they are moving more towards this. So that's one update here. It was there in the V7 as well as this version. That's about personalization. Now come back to the create. Let me go to personalization. I will pick my global profile, which is this. So, this is what I use, and come back, and you can write it whatever you want. Then next option, what they given. This is a bit interesting. Go here. For example, I want to. You have selected one thing, one style you like it. On top of it, it is more on the chemistry. You want to mix multiple things rather training. Let's say you like it some images, some certain style you done, but you want to influence something else. That image you like it more. For example, I like this image. Then you add it here. This will consider as a style reference. This image influence more than your what actually you selected. Okay, now I selected this and come here and write like a simple one, epic waterfall golden, sorry, golden hour lighting. Yes, that's it. You can see it's a drastically transformed from my style what I given. You see, it's more of a patchy brushes, etc. Why it is? Because I have given this influence image so that there are multiple things in this. Once you go here, for example, you can select. This is actually your selected version, and this is a mood boards where basically you upload couple of images and you can try it. That also it can work, and you can go and so on and so forth. You can try more of a combinations. So now let's one interesting thing here is you can immediately you can change it. For example, now here I could try more on the painted style. You're not doing anything, dash dash dash, this prompt, that prompt, how we were seeing the V4 version. You don't need to do that. Simply you can tap it here. Immediately it will go and jump into the V8 profile, V7 old painting style. We are using model, inside model is a V8, but actually style, which is means whatever it has been trained on V7, which you like it, you want to bring and use in the V8 version. So basically, let me tell you one thing. What is the styles? It's nothing but a bunch of images keeping it together. When you pass through diffusion models, algorithm, whatever code, there is a weights inside. It can read the images, what exactly you're looking, it will go on influence on your output image. We were historically, technically, we calling as the IP adapters. Then we'll go more on the style influence, style transfer. There are many things we were using on the open source front. But exactly this is what happened, whether it is closed end or open end. That's how they are doing here. You can see here, it's a style preference because you may be like it very much on the Nizzy, but you want to use it, you can feel free to use. And by the way, they updated Nizzy 7 as well. It's pretty good though. Having said that, that's about all this. Apart from that, you can go and quickly update. This I told already. You can upload the image and do it, and you can go here, set up all this thing. Only one thing right now they are claiming you should not use it HD and Q4 quality at the same time. That is not supporting so far. Rest of things, everything will support thing. That's a quick intro. You can go and upload all this thing, and there is another thing, nice thing called let me show you conversation mode, which was there already. Let me show you again one second, because this a bit like it. I like it personally, this one. Can you create a huge dragon flying around the sea? You could see here, huge dragon is running. Now, huge dragon on the very, very vast mountain around the snowfall. So like that, on the go, you can create the number of scenes. This feature is the only feature. I mean, it was there in the back then also, old version. I love so much this feature because you can try everything like on the go. Of course, we are not going to use these things anywhere in the production. It's more of a inspiration. I would say it's more of an inspiration. Maybe if I like it, I can go, and if you're not happy with this result, you can go somewhere else, other models. You could take it. But anyway, this is the one visual cue. This I like it really because once it takes a thread You write it there, and from there you can start narrating. It will pick it like a, it's like a thread pull, right? Where you hooking, for example, you take this dragon and going somewhere. Let's see now. This dragon is now in front of a huge castle around thousands of soldiers. You could see what happened. It will take a same soldier and it will keep in the settings somewhere else in the castle. That is the good part about this. So you're giving a simple prompt. What I felt personally, what they're doing, they're running some LLMs behind, and your input voice and whatever your voice conversation, it is codes and changing as a prompt, and it is good. But my opinion, this looks really good so far. I mean, none of them really done. I mean, ChatGPT, they done certain level, but not this level of speed. That is where Midjourney looks a bit unique here. Yeah, you can see here all looks pretty good, very cinematic. Shots are very good. Also, you can say, like, for example, now I'm saying, hey, can you keep this scene in more into the drone shot and some fire around? That's simple because it's like a more of a two people talking around, and what you want to convey to the team. Of course, this is not a drone shot. A certain level, this is yes, but I like it. I mean, you need to play around a bit, and definitely you'll love it. That's about this one. Yeah, let's talk about overall performance. This feature, apart from this feature, personally, I didn't like much overall. I mean, Midjourney is far, far behind. I mean, I don't know what happening into the company or a team. Other models advanced way ahead. See, it's a too technical. As see, of course, if you're watching, if you are a hardcore Midjourney lover, or you know Midjourney since long time, than Discord days to now the people move to web, then you people are, if you are very familiar, you know it. If not, as a regular user where I can open ChatGPT or Gemini, I can type like a however I want. If I want to adapt a style, I can drop it some image. Hey, can you adapt it to the same image? And this guy is not giving the face consistency. For example, you upload your image, you want to see it as some other style, that all way, way, way behind. There will be some technical legal challenges, whatever it is way ahead. And they are giving all this uploading an image and doing file retexturing. There are some good stuff, but technically it's way outdated, I felt personally. And that's where I feel some of they have some of the very unique features. They need to focus on that part. For instance, this one, and they tried in between the canvas where you can generate all the things in open board whiteboard where you can generate the story shots. I feel UI is overwhelming. That's one part. And they have a very hidden amazing features which should be too technical. If the normal guy can go, let me show you. If the guy, what the hell, this is stylization, weirdness, variety, speed, stealth, video generation, video batch. They need to crack one thing at one time. They should not do like, that's where I felt Midjourney is going up behind. They're trying video, they're trying image. First, go one by one. If you crack image, I felt image is already way behind. I'm sorry, way ahead of Midjourney. If you compare with something Gemini or ChatGPT, they're doing pretty good job. And upper front, there are many models. You say it Flex or Nano, sorry, Flex Clen especially. They're doing pretty good. And yeah, I think that's about this one. If you're already subscriber, there are some good features. Let's see. I will let you know my opinion once they release full feature. I felt more or the less this is the one, the vibe I'm getting. Apart from that, don't expect too much, hype around this. This is going to break something massive. Visuals you get pretty good. That is for sure. And apart from that, it's like a just like any another model. Yeah, that's about. See you. If you like my explanation, please let me know your opinions and everything in the comment box. See you. Bye.